The magic triangle, the three things that I believe are key to you passing your CMA exams and becoming a CGMA. And in 20 years time, when university students are studying, they will be referencing this magic triangle as CRAIGO 2021. So I can assure you, you don't want to miss this video. We're going to just roll the intro and we're going to get stuck straight in. So let's go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is CRAIGO. I'm a fully qualified chartered management accountant and I'm here to help you through my own experiences of becoming a CGMA. The format of today's video is that we are just going to talk through each element of the magic triangle, and then at the end I'm going to link them together and show you how and why each element are exclusively crucial but also form a formidable partnership with each other that will enable you to smash through your CMA exams. And we're just going to go straight in with point number one of the magic triangle, and that is time. Time is key when it comes to accounting exams. There's 16 exams and each exam has a consistent amount of knowledge that you need to learn. Therefore, you investing significant time into your accountancy qualification is crucial. And unfortunately, if you do not invest enough time, then you simply will not be able to learn the significant amount of knowledge that you need to learn to pass your exams. And perhaps time is the obvious one, but we cannot overlook it at any stage of the CMA qualification. You're not going to be able to wing it by using the minimum effort, maximum efficiency model. Unfortunately, you need to put time in. You need to learn every element of the syllabus. And that is the only way that you can be sure that you are going to know the full topic areas, the full knowledge that you will be required to know in order to pass your exams. And then leading on to element two of the magic triangle formula is consistency. And by consistency, I don't just mean consistently revising for 2 hours each day. I want you to look at your small and medium goals within your revision that you put in. So of course, the first one is to be consistent with revising 2 hours each day. But what are you doing in those revision sessions? Are you productive? Are you identifying 1, 2, or 3 objectives in each 2-hour revision session and nailing each of those points within your revision session? Or are you just willy-nilly going through a few practice questions, not really having any purpose and not delivering consistent purpose within the time you put aside? Are you consistently meeting the deadlines that your tutors have set you? Are you consistently passing your mock exams? Consistency is more than just turning up for your 2 hours of revision a day. Consistency is about achieving the things on a daily basis that you want to achieve. Have you learned what you set out to achieve in your revision session? Have you done your homework that your tutors have set you? And have you completed and passed your mock exams that were required as part of your tuition? Being consistent and consistently doing that, along with the time that you put into your exam, will give you the best possible chance of passing your exams. And then the third point of the magic triangle, and I've spoken a lot about this one on my channel, is momentum. Momentum is key for keeping you going. Momentum isn't just about passing your exams. Momentum is about hitting your daily targets with your revision, doing the homework that your tutor sets you, creating and passing your mock exams. Because all these short-term wins will give you motivation, and in turn, that will give you momentum. If you are someone that isn't putting the right amount of time in, not hitting your short-term goals, not doing the homework set by the tuition providers, not passing your mock exams, then that leads to failing your real exams. Then you aren't going to establish a momentum, and the whole experience is going to be extremely tricky for you. But if you put in the revision time that is required, you're consistent in meeting your short and long-term goals, you use that momentum to get you over that line and pass that one exam. That gives you the immense feeling that you are one step closer to being a full CGMA. The cycle restarts. You find yourself back at your next exam, exam number 2, that gives you the momentum and the motivation that you need to put the time and be consistent within your next exam. And the magic triangle continues round in a cycle. If you are struggling for one of those 3 elements of the model, have a look, break it down, start at the way I've presented this video. Look at the time. Well, what time am I putting in? If you're only putting in half an hour a day and you're not wondering why you're passing your exams, then perhaps you need to invest more time. Take a look then at point number 2, your consistency. Are you setting yourself daily goals of things that you need to learn within your revision schedules? Are you doing all the homework that your tuition providers are setting you? Are you consistently passing your mock exams? And if the answer to that is no, then you need to evaluate this. You need to create more purposeful revision sessions. You need to make sure that you're doing the homework set by your tutors, and you need to make sure that you are passing your mock exam consistently. Because if you're doing all 3 of those, then I have no doubt that you're going to go and pass your exam. And then, in my opinion, if you've looked though after the time and consistency elements of the magic triangle formula, then you are going to be smashing the momentum aspect. Momentum comes from doing things and doing things consistently well. And if you're passing your exams consistently first time, then I can assure you that momentum will come with it. Now, I hope you enjoyed that video today. I genuinely hope it helps you guys with your revision and identifying areas of your revision that can help you to generate your workforce and allow you to pass your exams. If you do have any questions about the magic triangle formula, then please do make sure you comment down below, and I'd be really appreciate it if you like that video. Was it very helpful? Was it presented very well? Please let me know. I strive off feedback. But that is all from me today, and until the next one, I look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.